Today we'll be discussing the 1 mile jog test and the Rockford 1 mile walk test. Let's begin. The equipment we'll be utilizing for both tests is proper running attire, a 400-meter track, a heart rate monitor, which is optional, a pencil and paper, a stopwatch, and a scale. The jog test may be performed by both men and women 18 to 29 years old. A warm-up of 2 to 3 minutes is recommended. It consists of running 1 mile at a comfortable pace without stopping. It is a sub-maximal test and the goal is not to run as fast as possible. It should take a minimum of 8 minutes for men and a minimum of 9 minutes for women to complete the 1 mile. Heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. To begin the 1 mile jog, I completed my warm-up, which consisted of dynamic stretches like high knees, high kicks, walking toe touches, and butt kicks. I lined myself at the starting point, hit the start on my stopwatch, and took off, making sure not to sprint but to jog at a controlled pace. Upon completion of the last lap, I stopped the time, took my heart rate utilizing the radial sight. I counted the number of beats in my radial artery for 15 seconds and multiplied by 4. This gave me my heart rate in beats per minute. My cooldown consisted of static stretches. The Rockford 1 mile walk test may be completed by both men and women 20 to 69 years old. A 5 to 10 minute warm-up should be completed. It is a sub-maximal test and you should walk as quickly as possible without running. It is good to assist sedentary and older individuals. For the Rockford 1 mile test, I lined myself at the starting line, started the stopwatch, and walked as fast as I could. My warm-up was 5 to 10 minutes and my cooldown was 2 to 3 minutes long. Upon completion of my last lap, I stopped the time and obtained my heart rate utilizing the radial sight as I did in the 1 mile jog test. To convert time to minutes, it is important to note that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So I divided the seconds by 60 to obtain seconds and minutes as shown in the example. Next, I'll be showing you how I acquired my VO2 max using the 1 mile jog equation. First, we will need body weight in kilograms, time in minutes, and heart rate in beats per minute. For gender, depending on whether you are a male or female, will be 1 or 0 respectively. My body weight was 92 kilograms, my time was 11.27 minutes, my heart rate was 164 beats per minute, and my gender was 0 since I'm a female. I plugged in this information to the equation into their appropriate spots, and using the PEMDAS rule, I solved the equation. It gave me 37.62 milliliters per kilogram per minute. Then I found my VO2 max using the Rockford 1 mile test equation. This equation required my body weight in pounds, which was 202.8 pounds. My age, I'm 19 years old. My gender, 0 since I'm a female. My time, which was 12.08 minutes, and heart rate calculated at 144 beats per minute. I went ahead and plugged in the information into the appropriate spots, and using PEMDAS, I solved for my VO2 max and obtained 47.92 milliliters per kilogram per minute.